The Spa and Healing Getaway is a getaway that is kind of similar to our well-being stays. It includes wellness classes and guided nature walks with the addition of 2 services. So you'll have a spa service and a holistic healing session, acupressure healing session. For your spa service, you can choose from a range of different spa massages or also facials from our Catskills Spa here at Honors Haven. And for your wellness holistic healing session, you have the option of a 60-minute acupressure healing. So most people have heard of acupuncture, but acupressure is not so familiar. So conceptually, they're both similar modalities. Acupuncture was originated in the East, in China, as a kind of holistic medicine, a way of opening up the energy gates of the body to then heal different organs or common ailments and symptoms. Acupressure uses the same concept, but rather than using needles to open up the acupuncture points, it is a combination of different massage techniques to help alleviate tension, fatigue from your body, and emotional stress that may have been stored in your body as well. So on the way home from the Spa and Healing Getaway, people usually feel really bright, much lighter and less stressed from their day-to-day lives, and more relaxed.